In keyword research, any tool that helps you discover the trend of a particular search term or a particular query is actually a very nice tool to have. Not very many keyword research tool in digital marketing helps with analyzing trend surrounding a particular search term. And that is why having a tool like Google Trend, right, is one of the most incredible things that Google has actually given to us as SEO specialists, right? Now, with the availability of Google Trend, you are able to discover not just the volume of a particular search term or a search query, you also discover how trendy and relevant this particular keyword has been over the years. I mean, you could literally go back in time, maybe a year back or 2 years back, to find the flow of trend for this particular search term, and of course also analyze its present condition as far as getting trendy is concerned, and of course also for the future. You can actually pull up all of this information together to make an informed decision whether to write a fresh content or to edit an existing content with this particular search term or this particular keyword. So in this particular video, I'll take my time to cover everything you need to understand or everything you need to know about using Google Trend, a wonderful tool, I must say, to find your potential keywords. I mean, potential keyword when it comes to writing a fresh content and maybe for optimizing an existing content. So let me not waste your time, guys. Let's hop right into this video together as I walk you through practically sharing my screen to show you how exactly you can get started with using Google Trend as a Google tool, as a free Google tool to finding your next winning keywords. So join me right now and let's explore together. So to get started, just come to Google and make a search for Google Trend, and then when you see that, when you see the search result, you tap on the very first one, which is Google Trend here. So this opens up and it gives you this interface, and Google Trend has actually changed over the years. I mean, the interface has changed. I can remember vividly in 2014, it was not as beautiful as it is. I mean, the user interface isn't as beautiful as this, but of course, Google also trends. I mean, Google also changes. Google adapts to new changes, to user needs when it comes to the interface usage, right? So this is looking beautiful, guys, I must say. So Google Trend gives you this beautiful interface and you can get started with your search right here, right? So let's even say you are into let's say you are into digital marketing and you are looking for how to get search terms for your next content, or maybe search term to re-optimize your existing content, right? So you can simply search for digital marketing right here, and then as a search term here, you can do this as a search term, and it pulls up a whole lot of information about digital marketing for specific countries and specific regions also. So in Nigeria, for instance, this is past day. Let's do past 5 years for Nigeria. So digital marketing for Nigeria hasn't been too consistent, right? It's been going down and it's been coming back up and all of that. We all do know that digital marketing hasn't actually kicked the dust, right? For the past 5 years. So it has been meandering, but of course it has been consistent, kind of. So this is Nigeria right here, 5 years ago, all categories and a web search. So if you scroll down here, you see sub-regions in Nigeria where digital marketing is kind of accepted or more accepted, right? These are the regions here. So I will simply change this from rising to top search terms or top searches, right? So here we have internet marketing, digital media, digital. So right here I can see course. It looks to me like people are looking for digital marketing courses to take, right? That is what this suggests to me. And this falls under the category for education. And here also we have digital marketing course also. So people are actively looking for digital marketing course to take in Nigeria. And people are also looking for Google digital marketing. So maybe looking at how to enroll in Google's digital marketing course. So if you do next here, you see digital marketing agency. People are looking forward to either starting an agency or maybe consulting with an agency or consulting for an agency, right? I mean, generally people are looking for things related to agency and digital marketing. So if you have the plans also to start an agency, to run an agency, yeah, of course I can be of assistance to you, helping you get started, giving you all of the checklists you need to put into consideration to get started with digital marketing agency. So people are actually actively looking for digital marketing agency. So this is online marketing, and rest of them. This is jobs. People are looking for jobs for digital marketing. People are looking for courses. So courses is still very prominent here, right? Social media marketing. People are looking for social media marketing skills and all of that, as you can see right here. So if we do other countries, let's even do worldwide. Let's do worldwide, for instance. Let's say, for instance, we want to write content that touches worldwide audiences or markets. Yeah, digital marketing worldwide has been consistent. I mean, this is more than consistency, it is a growth, right? So look at this here. We have St. Helena as some of the top regions. We have Pakistan, Laos, Cameroon, and all. So if you come right here from Rising, we have top. From here also, the search queries, we have top also. So here we have still courses. People are looking for courses. People are looking for agency also. And right here, people are looking for digital marketing business. I mean, starting an agency, right? So this is digital marketing company, online marketing, and the rest of them. So just make your search from here. Pull out the content that makes sense to you. I mean, pull out the search topics that actually make a lot of sense to you and possibly dig deeper into that, right? So let's even say digital marketing jobs. Let's copy digital marketing jobs, for instance. So let's search for digital marketing jobs here, right? So interest over time, you can see here it has been increasing. I mean, it is more than consistency, right? So here we have data entry. Okay, this is Rising. Let's change this to top. This also to top here. So right here we have digital media. We have course also for digital marketing. So jobs for digital marketing salary. So these are keywords, guys. People are looking for things related to digital marketing salary. They want to have information about how much potentially they can earn as salary from the 9 to 5 working as digital marketers. So here also people are looking for digital marketing jobs, right? So this is salary here. Also right here, online jobs. People are looking for online jobs, right? I mean, jobs they can do remotely, right? This is marketing manager. This is remote jobs, right? This is course. Also, people are looking for courses, as I said earlier on, right? Here, if you check further, you see digital marketing manager role, marketing manager jobs, remote jobs, online jobs, remote marketing jobs. So basically, this gives an idea that maybe on your blog or your page, your website, you may have various categories. Maybe under digital marketing jobs, you have jobs for remote, you have jobs for online. I mean, you have various job matches or various job types on your website for digital marketing, right? So this is an idea for you to explore. So basically, Google Trend allows you to see what is trendy, right? And of course, will help you make up your mind on which area of a particular industry you want to dig deeper into, right? So now let's even assume that we are looking for course, right? Digital marketing course. Let's use this as an example to find other ideas that will sell as far as digital marketing and course is concerned. So as you can see, the graph also has been increasing, has been growing over the past 5 years. And if you scroll down here, so these are for anybody who's looking forward to creating a course in digital marketing. Maybe Kenya will be a good place to target, Romania will be a good place to target, Brazil, Ghana, and then also Nigeria, South Africa, Sri Lanka, Czech Republic, Czechia, and then India, probably, right? So look at here, we have free. People are looking for free digital marketing course. So if you have a free digital marketing course or you have something that you are giving out for free, people are going to be very interested. So let's change this from Rising to top. So so let's change this here to top right here. So training, let's see, free. Once again, free appears here, and of course it should be online. People are looking for free digital marketing courses online, and probably don't want to see the syllabus. What are you going to be covering in this particular course? So you may have a brochure. You want to have a brochure to show to people to get them interested, right? So courses. Of course, here we have courses online. So people are looking for digital marketing courses online, right? They're looking for classes online also. So they're also looking for free courses, right? Udemy also may not necessarily mean anything to you. So the course also should be in English. A lot of persons are looking for English digital marketing courses for free online, right? So yeah, you don't want to structure your course as a diploma also, as a diploma course, as a diploma digital marketing course, right? So here you have the rest also: internet marketing, management, data science as a field. So if you have a digital marketing course, you may want to impute something that has to do with data science also inside of it, right? So that is it basically for now. If you do other areas also, let's say for instance, let's say prostate enlargement as a search term. So prostate enlargement here worldwide has been consistent, and if you scroll down here, you see what exactly people are looking for, right? Let's do top. So benign prostate enlargement. Let's change this also from rising to top. You see cancer. People are concerned about if prostate can lead to cancer, and what is prostate, the symptoms, and of course symptoms of prostate cancer, prostate gland, the treatment, and all of that. So this also is an idea for you that these are the topics to cover in your prostate enlargement discussions. So if you want to target a country or a particular country, this may be the best fit for you to target also when you plan to run your ad. So thank you so much, guys. That'll be it basically for now. I hope this makes sense to you. Take your time to explore Google Trend, and of course you can make comparison also from here, right? So prostate enlargement and prostate cancer right here as a search term. So you can compare these two together to see what they have been over the years, over the past 5 years, right? So yeah, once again, take your time to do the needful right here. As you can see here, related queries, you see here top rising, you see this, right? All of these guys here. So here you have rising. These are ideas for you. Where does prostate cancer tend to metamorphose? What are the 5 warning signs of prostate cancer? And best treatment for prostate cancer in early stages. These are blog ideas, right? These are blog ideas for you, right? So once again, also you can download this information here as a CSV material and take it away for free. So basically, I'll be stopping here right now because of the length of this video, but I do hope this makes sense to you, and I do hope also that you take your time to explore and make further researches around this. So let's see once again in my next videos, and bye for now.